Welcome to Learn to Swim with Sunshine. Let's talk about blowing bubbles with floating toys.
Hi Sunshine Swimmers. So if you've seen any of our videos, you may see that we have a lot of floating toys. And these toys are kind of utilized mostly in our toddler classes and our parent talk classes to help teach how to blow bubbles. So when the swimmers are blowing bubbles, often when they start, the very first thing they do is take a giant breath in, and then they're kind of choking on the water. We want to teach them how to exhale out for the bubbles. So what we like to do is we use floating toys, and we have them practice blowing out to move the toy. And we'll even make races out of it. So if we have two kiddos faced, they'll be blowing the toys out towards us to kind of teach them how to exhale. And then once they've blown all of their air out, we teach them to lift their head up to take that giant breath in. So teaching breathing patterns early in our classes has really helped us once we get into further things like face in the water and arm circles. Again, floating toys for blowing bubbles and learning how to blow air out in those toddler and preschool classes will really help. Thank you so much for joining us here at Sunshine Swim Center, and we look forward to seeing you on the next day.
Thank you for joining us at Learn to Swim with Sunshine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.